Hey y'all. Well, we are 2 hours away. This is your reminder. 2 hours away from Foundational Wellness 101 Part 2, where we talk about, here, I should have gotten this before I went on live, but we are going to be talking about this product, E-Omega Plus Essential Oil Omega Complex. So just to give you a little overview, they look like this. You take 3 of these to get the proper dosage. And we're just going to go into detail about that tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or actually Eastern Daylight Time. It'll be, 4 o'clock for my people out west. And I'm getting my diffuser ready to teach. So I'm going to go through these in a little bit. Lemon. This represents focus. So I want to be truly focused and in the zone when we're teaching tonight. Just a few drops of that. Next we have wild orange. In the emotional world, it's for abundance. So we want like an abundance of people to show up for the class. And if only 1 or 2 people show up, that's okay, because we can still teach that class and hopefully open your heart and your mind to what we have for you. So a few drops of those. I do like 4 and 4 of those. Okay. Then next up is marjoram. That invokes connection. Like, I want to be able to connect with all our group tonight who are going to be viewing the class. I want to connect with y'all and be on a more personal level, and hope we can really spark some inspiration in your life. So I do 3 drops of that. And to really goose things up, we have one of my absolute favorites, peppermint. And that gives you a buoyancy of heart. So I want to be lighthearted, upbeat while we teach this class, and we pray it'll give you that spark of that kind of feeling as well. We're going to fill this up. All right. I love this blend because it just smells so good. Okay. Oh, I feel it already. The connection, the buoyancy of heart, the focus, and the abundance. Oh, I just love this blend so much. I don't know what to call it. Maybe y'all can drop it in the comments what you think I should call this. I'll put in the comments below what each oil represents, and you can just shout out to me what you think this blend should be called. I think I once had a blend for it, or a name for it, but I don't know. The name escapes me right now at this moment. So whatever y'all come up with, shout it out to me. Let me know. So yeah, I'll put in the comments what each oil represents, and you can choose from there and see what you can come up with. So I mainly use this blend for communicating clearly with the class and trying to invoke some really lighthearted feelings, and yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to connect with y'all on a personal level and make sure we're on the same page and that I don't lose anybody. That's the thing. All right, so again, this is your reminder. About 2 hours before we have our class, Foundational Wellness 101 Part 2, where we talk about this beautiful product, E-Omega Plus. And that's at 7 p.m. tonight, Eastern Daylight Time, 4 o'clock for my Pacific people out there. All right, so, before I go, did you see my posts, my recent posts? So one is for the 90-day Foundational Wellness Challenge, where you get the Foundational Wellness Bundle for those 3 months, 90 days. And we're all going to take this together. We're going to have a weekly check-in. We're going to have a tracker where we track our progress. In the Heartfelt Oils group, we'll come together and bounce ideas off each other, keep each other uplifted and encouraged. And when the going gets tough, we just keep on going, right? That's the name of the game. So, hope you saw that. And also the post where I laid out for you what you get when you order the Foundational Wellness Bundle. All your freebies, all your free gifts, everything. And you might even get a personal gift from Mellisa Marsh and myself. So, yeah, there you go. We are going to get this thing rolling come August 11th. So you have plenty of time to get that bundle and all your freebies that go along with it beforehand. And we're just going to get this thing started and keep it going. All right, so I pray y'all will come tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Foundational Wellness 101 Part 2. All right, see y'all there.